Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. This week we're talking about property insurance for utility scale solar projects. And if you are looking to underwrite a utility scale solar project, you want to know what criteria you need to have to make sure you get the best combination of pricing and coverage for that project. So, if you're working on a project and you are looking to have insurance for it, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below this video. But first, what is a utility scale solar project? Well, utility scale solar project, in my view, is any project that's over 20 megawatts in size and is going to be in front of the meter. And you may have heard the terms behind the meter or in front of the meter. And for the purposes of a utility scale project, it's going to be in front of the meter, meaning like if you're standing outside of a residential house or a building that has an electric meter on it and you're staring at that meter, you're standing in front of it. And so the electricity is going to be coming from somewhere in front of that meter, meaning behind you. Okay. So, and it's usually going to be like in a large ground mount solar system. So that's a utility scale solar system, is a project that's over 20 megawatts in size and is in front of the meter. So say you have this project and you're trying to build this utility scale solar project. How do you get the best combination of coverage terms and pricing? Well, so we're going to focus on 5 underwriting criteria here that you're going to want to collect and give to your insurance broker to make sure that you have really quality information, that the underwriters understand that, maybe you have some good risk management systems in place. Maybe your system is different than some other projects that are out there that underwriters maybe, don't understand unless you have good quality underwriting information and somebody who can actually explain to the underwriter why your project should pay less for insurance than, say, any other project. So these 5 things we're talking about, let's talk about the 5 different underwriting criteria. So the first thing is going to be kind of what they call an account summary. And an account summary can come from, usually comes from a piece of software called PV and that's going to be a summary of the project and how much energy it's going to produce, the details and specifications of that project. And it's called a PV It's software you can get online, and it's going to be a report from that PV software. It's going to be the account summary. The second thing is a business income worksheet or a business income report. And that's going to be a description of where the income or the revenue is going to be coming from this for this project. Could be obviously coming from the off-takers purchasing the energy, but it may also come from places like renewable energy certificates or other incentives that are out there that would pay you additional money as a result of this project. Okay, the third thing is going to be a coverage terms. And coverage terms are usually it's just the expiring property insurance policy. Or it might be just desired specifications for the property insurance policy. So be the amount of coverage you want, the deductibles you want, any other terms or exclusions you don't want to see, that kind of thing. The fourth thing is going to be the design specifications. So this is going to be like a 1 or 3 line drawing, the descriptions of the PV panels, the makers, the type of equipment, the inverters, if there's energy storage involved, just a description of the design of the system. And it's usually going to be involving engineering documentation. Okay, so that's the fourth thing. The fifth thing is if this is an existing project that you're underwriting based on, say, a prior policy, you're going to want to have what they call loss runs. And loss runs are a report that the insurance carriers provide that show any claims history associated with that project. And usually we're looking for 5 years of loss runs for that utility scale solar project. So those are the 5 things. And to really get the best combination of cost and coverage, you're going to want to have those 5 things for your underwriter and your insurance broker to make sure that they're doing a good job to get you the best combination of cost and coverage for your utility scale solar project property insurance. So again, if you have questions about this, I hope this is helpful. If you have questions about a utility scale solar project you're looking to get underwritten, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me below this video. Thanks again, and have a great day.